everyone, I'm Klara. Subscribe to my channel and like my video to improve your English. See you later! Hey everyone, it's Klara again. I'm so excited today because I'm taking you to a surprise place. Let's see if you like it! We're almost there. Everyone speaks English there. There's a big, magnificent, very popular statue. Big, magnificent, very popular statue. People from many different nationalities live there. See, I think you understand. Here we are. We're in New York. It's really crowded here. Look at these people. But it's a really cool city, isn't it? Hey, by the way, are you watching my videos regularly? Look, this is important. Watching an English video every day will improve you a lot. Don't forget to stay tuned. This is really impressive. Do you like it too? America, you are so beautiful. But New York, you are something else. Let's enjoy this city now. Let's see what it's like. They say it's the most beautiful city in America. Let's test it, folks! This city is truly amazing. It's so crowded and so lively. A friend of mine said there's no night in New York. I guess this city is like this all day long.
People follow the rules. That's great. And it really is a city with people from different cultures. But the people seem very warm and friendly.
Let's explore some of the side streets. What's there to see? The architecture of these houses is quite unique, but I like it. Look, they're really like the New York houses in the movies, aren't they? They're really cool, old and unique, but very aesthetic. I'd love to live in a house like that. Traveling and seeing new places is really great. Everyone should experience this feeling. My RV is a great help in that, of course. Where are the parks in this city? Oh, look over there, a park. Let's explore the green spaces of New York. It looks so beautiful from here. I wish you were all here with me right now, folks. Isn't this really amazing? I thought New York had a more intense city culture, but look, there are green spaces too. It's great for sports, walks, and gatherings. I like it here. Yes, they said New York is a bit dangerous, not easy to live in, but it's a very livable city. But I have a great caravan, you know. How can I stay here? If you have a caravan, you can't live in just one city. You can't just settle in a city you love and say, yeah, I'll live here, because the world is your home anyway. Okay, folks, that's enough for today. It's dinner time. Come on, it's time to go home. What should I eat today? Please give me some ideas for what I'm going to cook. Share your thoughts with me in the comments. I love world cuisine. Finally, I'm here. Home sweet home. Or rather, caravan sweet caravan. These views are truly breathtaking. I feel so lucky. But you can do this too, folks. Oh well, personal development later. Now it's time to eat. Today I'm going to make myself some chicken and pasta. My pasta is gluten-free and there will be a small amount, so it won't ruin my diet. The chickens are already roasted. I'm really hungry. It's almost evening. I've walked a lot and I'm very tired. Now let's make pasta. It's the easiest dish to make, isn't it? What's the easiest dish to cook for you? You boil the water and add the pasta. It's that simple. I really don't know of an easier dish. If you know one, please tell me. That's it. It's done and ready. Wait a minute, did I mention this is healthy pasta? I haven't broken my diet, just so you know. Yes, this is my favorite moment. It's all over. Time to sit down and eat. This is what peace and happiness must feel like. Are you having fun with me today, everyone? Tell me the truth. Do you enjoy these travel and caravan videos? Should I make more? Share your thoughts in the comments. I think that's enough for today. Watch or listen to my videos regularly, folks. Your English level will improve over time. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it with your friends.